Crude oil prices drop further on prospects of additional supply from Iran, and Saudi Arabia may soon introduce options trading on single stocks. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Crude oil prices have dropped further on prospects of additional supply from Iran. It's outweighing concerns that a possible invasion of Ukraine by Russia could trigger U.S. and European sanctions that would upend global energy exports from the world's top producer. World powers are reportedly inching closer to reviving Iran's 2015 nuclear deal that would potentially pave the way for the removal of U.S. sanctions on its crude exports. Saudi Arabia may soon introduce options trading on single stocks to further boost liquidity. The Tadawul Stock Exchange reportedly plans to allow options trading in 5 to 10 companies initially over the next few weeks. The bourse will start registering more stocks when they meet certain criteria. It would be another step towards liberalizing Riyadh's stock exchange and encouraging participation from foreign investors. Alpha W Holdings is looking at opportunities in Saudi Arabia and Egypt. Alpha W officials say Egypt is a huge market which can absorb more deals, while Saudi Arabia has strong growth. Egypt and Saudi have emerged as key markets for UAE-based firms seeking growth. Alpha W operates in sectors including construction, hospitality, and healthcare, and has already announced several deals, mostly within the UAE. Warren Buffett's holding firm Berkshire Hathaway had no advance knowledge of Microsoft's plan to acquire video game maker Activision Blizzard before taking a stake in the company. Buffett denies he had prior knowledge of the $68.7 billion acquisition in Q4 of 2021. As of December 31st, Berkshire owned 14.66 million shares of Activision, worth about $1.13 billion. Buffett says the investment was made independent of him. China's smartphone shipments fell 18.2% to 32.4 million in January compared to the same period a year ago. 28 new smartphone models were released in January, a 31.7% fall year-on-year. Shipments of local brands of mobile phones plunged 24% to 25.7 million, accounting for 77% of all shipments. The chip shortage aggravated by the global pandemic affected mobile phone production. Egypt, Kenya, Nigeria, Senegal, South Africa, and Tunisia will be the first recipients of technology from the WHO's global mRNA vaccine hub. The mRNA technology will be designed in and owned by Africa. It will allow manufacturers to produce their own COVID-19 vaccine as well as other vaccines. The WHO says no other event like the COVID-19 pandemic has shown that reliance on a few companies to supply global public goods is limiting and dangerous. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.